Hello everyone, Tasha is here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how do I make this flower tassel. This is the organza fabric and this is the stencil. I'm going to cut it with the solder iron using 350 degrees Celsius. Please be careful if you want to try this at home, because it's very hard. This is how it looks, very neat. Fold the petal into two, then fold it again. Insert the eye pin in the center like this. Take one more petal, fold it like this, and cover the first petal by fold it like this. Then take the needle and secure these petals by sewing them 3 to 5 times. Cut the remaining thread. I'm using an 8mm tassel cap that fits these petals. First, put the glue inside the tassel cap, don't put too much, and insert the pin through the hole in the cap. Let the glue dry, then cut the excess eye pin. Next, make a small loop using round nose pliers. I put the link below for this too. It's done. Here how it looks. Very neat and beautiful. It is another color. Thank you so much for watching.